Hey mateys, you know we always talk about things on the outside of the boat. Well, what about some of the things inside the boat to make life a little easier? You know, we've got tablet computers, we've got cell phones, we got Bluetooth speakers, we got the camera, which I'm using. All these things need to be recharged. How do you keep all those cords clean and organized? They're straightened up and organized. I got a little life hack for you on that one, and here it is. Use as many paper clips as you need. You line them up, and you know, you see here I pull it out, plug the cell phone in, unplug it, push the cord back in. Now, even though the cords are a little jammed up behind the paper clips, they're not going to get tangled up. An easy solution. Well, there you have it, guys. Happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends.